任務は確実に遂行する。それがフーマだ。さあこっちだ。ここから先は敵地。くれぐれも怪我のないように。
And we're here at the Ninja Museum at Odawara Castle. It is 310 yen for adults, 100 for Odawara Castle Ninja Museum. I think they have little ninjas. I'm not sure if this is more for kids or for adults. They must tell the story of the ninjas. We can always. This is not a museum. It's an activity spot where you can experience being a ninja.
小田原に集まりし同志、フーマの仲間となり、小田原のために働いてくれないか。忍術を体得し、豊臣方の陣地に忍び込んで情報をつかみ、城へ届け。
The main castle tower and samurai gallery are located in at the head up the stairs. So, this is the activity spot where you can experience being a ninja. You have to put on the costume, probably. Here we go. Yes, that is a ninja. We're in the Ninja Museum here. Look at the different types of. We're in the movie theater of the ninja. It's a 3-minute movie. So we're going to go into the house with hidden secrets. Secret passageway, secret door, hidden sword. You have to find the secret door.
Found it.
And he found the hidden sword. Ah. Well, they left the secret door open, so there's the hidden room.